kaibigan. Ngayon po ay gagawa ako ng paksiw na pink salmon. So, prepare ko na yung ingredients. Meron tayong 1 serving of tuna with onion, garlic, and ginger with salt, sprinkle on it. So, yung pagpapaksiw ko, iba, kasi alam mo naman yung chemical reaction ng suka. Tapos microwave to. So, i-delay ko yung suka much later. Ipiprecook ko muna yung pink salmon. Okay? Ayan na. Usually, yung regular na mga kumakain na niyan, 2 minutes luto na sa kanila. Ako, since I want my fish well done, hanggang 4 to 5 minutes, so ipiprecook ko siya ng 1. Okay. So 1 lang sa akin ang precook. Dinagyan ko na siya ng suka. Kapit na guys, so by doing that, prepare ko na yung suka. Ang kulang niya dito, paminta. Alam mo naman, nasa pandemic isolation tayo. So, maraming kulang. But then again, you have to put up with what you can have to survive. Sa survival mood ka tayo. So, nakaprepare na yung dato puti suka ko. At later, nandiyan yung mga vegetables. Okay. So, I want to. So, it's 1 day lang with a busy day of 1. There you go. Ready na. So, diba systematic while cooking the rice, I'm doing my paksiw. Okay. So, pre-cook na. This is my first time to do it, so I'm really checking first. So not enough. Let's see. And how much suka should I put? Just the same. But 1. It works better when it's open. 2, 3, 4. Okay, not too sour. Not too sour. Okay. Then I cover it with the saucer on top. Okay, it's easier to do that because you just put it like that and it will be open. Okay. So make sure it's in the center. Another 1 minute. Okay, I'll do another hand washing. Throw your vegetables now. So I prepare to wash my vegetables in running water. Hindi ko yung gano'n pinakapiniwalay ko lang yung softer and softer. And be sure to wash in between the leaves and the branch. Okay? So, that's a little bit. Prima. Mahilig kasi ako sa gulay. Ayun, paborito ko po. So, make sure na yung strainer mo nakalagay yung decanter. Strainer. Okay. So, we're done in preparation, in preparing the vegetables. Okay. Mainit yan ngayon, no? So, use a pot holder or anything to protect your vegetables ko. Okay. At ready na rin na kunin yung aking paksiw dun sa loob para ilalagay ko yung vegetable, no? So, ayan yung improvised na pot holder, no? Let's see. See? Yan. So, lalagay na natin ngayon ang ating vegetables. So, in the inner part, ilagay mo muna ito. Okay? Yung medyo matitigas na part. Okay? Then, yung softer leaves, ilagay mo on top. So, nothing fancy, really. It's very straightforward. Okay? Tapos, i-cover mo ulit siya. Habang, it will sink down kasi liliit yung the vegetable will decrease in size as it is heated, no? Yes. Of course, yes. Okay, so put it back. Okay. Then, let's see if it cook in 2 minutes. We'll wait. 2 minutes. So while you're waiting, you clean up your kitchen. No time wasted at all. Time precious. You keep your kitchen clean. As you're waiting, you prepare the kitchen for the next user. So this is our kitchen, guys. This is a temporary accommodation for us. Okay. We have a limited space, but it's workable. So how many more minutes? We have 4 seconds. So we have 36 seconds. Then we're done. So I see from here, the vegetable hasn't cooked well yet, so we have to add time. So remember, that was 2 minutes. So we'll have to have more time. When I'm cooking corn, it usually is 6 minutes. So we'll see, because this is new for me, the vegetable. So you're discovering it with me too. Okay. So remember to use your pot holder. But vegetable we can even eat raw. So let's see. Let's check. What do we have here? It's just right. Crispy. Yeah. What do you think, guys? See, it cooked beautifully. Do you need to cook it some more? I think for me it's crispy done. See? It's very nice. And let us check the tuna. Oh, the paksiw. That's the paksiw. It's cooked. Okay, so now we will do the plating. Okay, we'll plate it. It's cooked. We'll do the plating now. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna scoop up some rice. Okay, bless your food. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop some rice. This is rice. Okay. That's my strength for the day. That's enough. 3 tablespoons of rice. Okay. You can always add some more if you like. And I eat more vegetables. Okay. Then now my plating for my paksiw, for the paksiw. Okay, and you will appreciate the vinegar, but it's just too little, you know. It's just for 1 serving. Okay, so that's the vinegar broth. Okay, and put some onions. Okay. Okay, so we're good. Happy eating. Okay, let's survive this pandemic. Even when we are in isolation, we take care of our food. Okay, good day. Have a nice day also. Bye bye for now. See you again.